Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to add field, name, display label and change symbology. So please see my video to end, like, share and subscribe. If any query, please write me comment. So let we start. Here is our building shape file and we go to table. Here is table, we go to open table. Here is our building, we create new field. For create new field, we go to new field and we write here name, type, text and length as per your requirement. We take length 50 and OK. Our field is created. We write here name, building 1, building 2 and building 3. After it, we save it, click save, we save it and close it. For labeling, we click here symbology. Here is label, we select here single label, and value name, we select here name, and font as per your requirement we select here Arial black, and size we write here size 20, and font points and color we take color. After it, OK, our label is display. And if you want to change symbology, we click again building and we go to symbology, and here is symbology. You select as per your requirement, we select it and OK. Our building symbology change. So we successful add field, name, label and symbology. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching video.